In this video, I'm going to show you how to cut a video on Premiere Pro. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. First, obviously, you need to open your Premiere Pro, so click on the Windows search bar and search for Premiere Pro. Click, open the program. You need to click, then you need to create a sequence, so come right here, sequence. In my case it is on Portuguese, but you click on archive, new, and sequence. Then you will create, you need to put your video right here, so just drag your video to the timeline of Premiere Pro. Now to cut, you just need to come right here on this tool, so the fourth tool on the left, and click on the part of the video that you want to cut. So for example, I want to cut right here, right here, right here. And if you want to undo this action, you can press Ctrl on your keyboard plus Z. Then you will come back to normal your video. Okay. You can also select the part of the video that you cut it and put where you want. So that's it. You cut it a video on Premiere Pro. I hope I helped you on how to cut a video on Premiere Pro. So if this video helped you in any way, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to receive useful tips.